Hello class 6, I am Ashok, your English teacher, present here with a new video for you. Today I will show you some examples of applications or letters which are commonly written by students to school authorities. So let us see these examples for better understanding of application writing. So let us see the examples. First question is there: write an application to your principal requesting him or her to grant leave. Also mention reasons. You are Kamla means boys will write Kamal and girls will write Kamla. School name is not mentioned there in the question, so we will use our school's name here. The principal Kendriya Vidyalaya Naledi. Then we will have to write the date 9 July 2020, that is today. Subject application for leave. Then salutation is to be written respected madam. You can use this word respected or not, it is up to you, but it is good if you use it. With reference to the subject cited above, I am to state that my mother is suffering from high fever. So in the beginning we have to tell the reason of leave taking. There is no one to look after her. My father is out of station. This doctor has advised her to take complete bed rest for 3 days. I will have to attend to her. So I cannot attend the classes because there is no way out. Therefore, I request you to kindly grant me leave for 3 days. That is from 9 July to 11 July. I shall be greatly obliged to you for this. Then subscription is to be written yours obediently. Obediently word is appropriate when we write to teachers or principals, so you have to use this word only, obediently, instead of sincerely or faithfully. Then your name should be written here. So in the question already name was given there, so I have written here Kamal, roll number 15, class 6. So in this way we have answered the question. If you have the same problem and you want to take leave, you can write in this way to the principal of your school. Now second question is there: write an application to the principal of your school to remit your fine. You are a student of Vivekananda Public School, Greater Noida, and your name is something is missing here. Your name is given there in the answer, so we can see there. And your class is 6. The principal, Vivekananda Public School, Greater Noida, 9 July 2020. In this way we will begin. Then subject should be mentioned there, application for the remission of fine. Then this is the salutation: madam, I am a student of class 6 of your school. I have been fined 50 rupees by my science teacher. He gave us a test day before yesterday. My mother was ill on that day. Nobody was at home, so I had to stay home to look after her. That is why I missed the test. Otherwise, I am very punctual and regular in my studies. But my respected teacher has fined me 50 rupees for not taking the test. I am too poor to pay the fine. Therefore, I request you to kindly reconsider my case and remit the fine. I shall be highly obliged to you for this act of kindness. Thank you. Yours obediently, Bimal. So Bimal was the name. It is missing there in the question. Roll number 22, class 6. So in this way, if you want to remit your fine, you can write in this way to your principal. Now see, third example is there. Question is: write an application to the principal of your school to allow you to change your section. You are Raman of DAB Public School, Pitampura, New Delhi. So in this way we will start. The principal, DAB Public School, Pitampura, New Delhi, 9 July 2020. Subject, application for the change of my section. Then you will write in this way: respected madam, this is the salutation, I am a student of standard 6 of your school. My father has recently been transferred to this place. I have been allotted section D. The students of this section are good, but I have some personal problem for which I want to get my section changed. Two of my neighbors are in section B. They help me in variety of ways. As I am new to this school and place, I need their help at every step. Here in section D, I have to face so many difficulties. I also feel lonely and unsafe. Therefore, I request you to kindly consider my case and do me the favor. I shall be grateful if you change my section from D to B. Thank you. T here is capital. It should be small, so do it correct. It is written mistakenly. Yours obediently, Raman. Roll number 33, and class is the left here, class 6 D. Then fourth example is there. Write an application to your principal requesting him to grant you leave for 10 days as you have to attend your brother's marriage. You are Ratan of DAB Public School, Pitampura. And in this way we will begin. The principal, DAB Public School, Pitampura, New Delhi, 9 July 2020. This is the date. Then subject, application for 10 days leave. Then salutation, sir. With due respect, I wish to inform you that my brother's marriage ceremony will be performed on 15th of this month at my native village. All my family members will have to reach there a week before to make proper arrangement. As I have to accompany them, I would like to request you to grant me leave for at least, this is last, but this is LEAST, so spellings are written wrong here mistakenly. At least 10 days. For the purpose, my leave will start from 11 July and will extend up to 20 July. I shall be highly obliged if you grant me leave for above mentioned period of 10 days. Thank you. Yours obediently. Name is written there, Ratan, row number 27, class 6th. So these were some of the examples. Now this is your homework. Write all the letters discussed today in your notebook. So you will note these letters in your notebooks. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.